Morning, everyone out there. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, and today is the third day of being in the hospital. Okay? I just had my breakfast, and this is about 8:30 in the morning. And I just had my breakfast, and um, cool. I'm cool. And right now, nothing much to do. I have a book here that I'm reading. I have first book that I'm reading, and nothing much to say. Sunday morning. It's a nice day outside, and I'm here. I'm here today. Today is 9 June. Today is 9. Yeah, guys, this is me. So this is the hospital. This is the hospital. This is the hospital. This is the hospital. So let me see if I can take you guys around. And see. That's my bed over there. That's my bed over there. And let's go around the hospital and see what's going on. Nothing much is going on because everybody's eating, taking their breakfast. Let's see. I told you, nothing much is going on. Nothing is going on. Oh. Nothing is going on. Oh. Just going around. Just looking. Okay. Let's go and see the babies crying over there. The other side. Babies all over the places. Crying. Can you guys hear that? There's a baby in here. There's a baby in here. Just right here. This room. There's a baby in there crying. There's a baby crying. Crying. Ciao. There's a baby crying in there. Yeah. Ciao. There's a baby crying in there. Mothers, pregnant women everywhere. Here we are. Oh. There is nothing to show you in the hospital. There's nothing to show. Nothing to show. Ciao. There's nothing to show. There are mothers everywhere. This is where the baby are. Yeah, there's a baby in here. There's a baby. Here's a baby. Wow. That's a baby in there. Actually, this is where they keep the babies. The newborn babies. That's where they keep them. That's where they keep the babies. Choop, choop, choop. Choop, choop. There's nothing much to show you guys. This is a long corridor. A long corridor. And this is me with my big belly. With my big belly. Oh guys, I'm going to spend a week here. It's just like a prison. Oh, those are two ladies out there, two pregnant women discussing. Ooh. Yeah, two ladies. Nothing much to show you guys. Okay, I'm done. I'm okay. Talk to you guys later. Bye.